Hello guys, welcome back to NIL. The most important step in the challenging course of finding a job is job interview, isn't it? It obviously is. So today we are going to learn some crucial phrases for job interviews, and in this we are taking 3 cases. First, when we agree to what the interviewer has said. Second, when we disagree with the interviewer, and the last is when we ask for clarification or repetition. First is that's right. You can use it to indicate that the information they provided is accurate. For example, that's right, we can opt for this strategy. Second is I couldn't agree more. When you want to emphasize जो उन्होंने कहा है तुम उससे agree करते हो. Like I couldn't agree more, we need to establish a strong online presence. Third is that's just what I was thinking. This can be used to express agreement with what the interviewer has just mentioned. You can say like, that's what I was thinking. Remote collaboration can help us build a good network. Now, when you disagree with the person's opinion, it should not look rude, isn't it? So let's see what can be the ways to disagree. First one that you can use is, I'm not sure about that. When you are uncertain about a particular piece of information, you can say, I'm not sure about that. Perhaps I need some time to think about it. Second, I see things rather differently myself. When you have to express a contrast viewpoint, but in a professional manner, it can be said as, I see things rather differently myself, but I understand where you are coming from. Third one can be, I don't entirely agree with you. When you want to show that you don't agree completely, but again, we have to do this in a professional manner. For example, I appreciate the emphasis on efficiency, but I don't entirely agree with you. And the last case where you are asking for clarification or repetition. So here first one can be, would you mind repeating that please? Second, pardon, or you can also use let me get this right.